YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Tell them what we're about to go see.
We're going to see the Barbie movie.
Yes, I'm excited. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Alright, so we're running a little bit late, so we're about to go in, get some popcorn and stuff, and we'll see you guys in the movies. You guys didn't know that I had twins. Look. Do they look like me? What you guys think? Alright, we gotta go to the snacks and stuff. We got our tickets. You guys ready? We got our stuff. I got slushy. She got watermelon slushy, and you got fruit punch, right? Alright. We out.
A million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna romp. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows.
And I'm bad like a Barbie. I'm a dope, but I still wanna party. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
You did? Your first time at the movies? It's raining. Your first time at the movies, what do you rate it out of 10?
I rate it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? 10 out of 10. Okay. I like the movie. They were saying that the movie is not really like a kid's movie because it's not like cartoon Barbie. It's like, you know, real people, but it's still appropriate for kids. I think the main message is that, you know, Barbie is supposed to be perfect, but then we see that Barbie went in the real world and she wasn't perfect. You seen Barbie crying and stuff like that. I think that was the main message. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
You agree?
Yeah.
So, movies was a 10 out of 10. Say bye.
Bye.
So today we doing a little TEMU haul. Don't mind the bag because I already opened it. I didn't open everything, but I did open some stuff. I just got a couple of things. This was my first time ordering from there, so I just wanted to see what they was talking about. Alright, so this is the first thing that I got. These bubble shoes, and their sizes run like Chinese size, so I don't know if this is gonna fit me. It's looking kind of big. Let me see. Oh, it's not that bad. Let me see. Let me see if it actually fits my foot though. Oh, it fits my foot. Okay, because I thought they weren't gonna fit because this is like size what, 38, and it came with these little charms or whatever. I'm not putting them on, but I did get my own little charms, so I'm about to open it. Oh, and I'm gonna tell you guys how much. Let me go on the app and see. These shoes were $10 and the charms were $6. So I'm about to open this and put some on the shoe, and you can see it's like Ooh, it's like pearls and stuff. I put the little charms on. I don't know how this thing is supposed to go. I gotta figure it out, but the charms are so cute when you put them in the shoes. So yeah, and these shoes are pretty comfortable. I got these hair clips. Can't go wrong. Just simple black, white, and brown. Always need these. And how much did I pay for those? $178. And they have way more, all different types of colors. I got these peck earrings. I probably won't use all of these. I'll probably only use like the pink ones. I'm not going to use the gold ones because they fade too easily. But the pearl ones and the pink ones. I got this portable blender. This is so cute. And there you go. And then you can just take it with you on the go. This is really cute. Next, this is a dupe, obviously. So this is the Marc Jacobs tote bag dupe. And I've had the real tote bag before, so I can be able to compare. And I mean, honestly, it's just like, it's cute. I mean, of course, dupes are not for everybody, but I wanted to try it so that anybody who, you know, does like dupes, you guys can try it out. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has a black strap in here and some little pockets in there. But yeah, this is cute. Listen, if you don't mind a good dupe, go ahead and get you one. Alright, so I did get some outfits that I'm gonna try on. This is the first dress. BRB. This is the dress on. This dress was $10. This is good if you're looking for something that's cute and inexpensive. The material is a little thin, but you don't have to worry about it being see-through, and y'all see how it hugs the body. This is the next dress I got. This dress was $10. I knew as soon as I opened it, it was gonna be too big, and I did get the smallest size possible. I got an extra small. As you can see, it was a little loose in the back. If it would have been a little more tight fitting, it would have made the dress a little better. I just feel like it looked way better than it did in the pictures. The material was like a cheapy material, but you can see the picture, it definitely looked better. So yeah, I give this dress about a 6 out of 10. This was the last outfit I got. This two-piece set was so cute. I had no complaints, honestly. This was $10, and you guys see me wear this when I was in Texas. Let me know if you want me to try some more stuff from TEMU. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.